Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Ring Doorbell error code P1-78. As per our research, the error comes when the Ring Doorbell suddenly goes offline or keeps having internet issues. Many users have shared that their Ring device repeatedly disconnects from the network, and when they check the status, it shows this error. According to our research, this error is likely related to connection problems between your Ring device and your Wi-Fi network. It can also happen due to a firmware issue or internal system glitch. The first thing you should do is reboot your Ring device. Simply open the Ring app and reboot it from the device health section. Then reboot your router by unplugging it from the power for a few minutes and plugging it back in. After that, check the signal strength of your Ring device under the device health page and see if the error still comes. If rebooting doesn't help, check if your Ring unit has a pending firmware update. If yes, update it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, try resetting your device manually. Take off the faceplate and press the orange reset button for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, let it reboot and see if it connects back to the network automatically. If you are done with all these steps, but the error still comes, then we suggest you contact Ring customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.